Hi, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Advanced Mat2 Answer10. So the first question is multiple inheritance allowed in C#? Explain with reason, right? So multiple inheritance is when a single class has a multiple parent classes. Okay, so no, that is not allowed in C#. And the reason is, let's say both of the let's say both of the classes have a same method with the same name and same signature. So for a child class it will be hard if you are calling that method from the child class, it will be really hard to define which which method does this this method belongs to which object, like the A parent or B parent or C parent, right? So this internally creates a kind of a diamond problem. So that is why it is not allowed. And what diamond problem says is let's say there is a class A and there are two child classes of class A, B and C, and both of them will override the method from a class A, and then there is a class D that inherits from B and C at the same time, right? So which implementation of that method should it consider, from the B or from the C? So that is confusing for the compiler. That is why it is not allowed in C#. What are the interfaces and how to implement them in C#? Can a class inherit from a class and an interface or more than one interface? What are interfaces? So interfaces are nothing but user defined type that defines which method are compulsory whenever you are implementing a particular interface in any class, right? So let's say class A inherits from a player class inherits from a damageable interface. So it in my damageable interface I can make sure, like I can define a method, an abstract method that my player class must implement, right? And so like they work as a contract that this any class that inherits from this interface must have this methods, right, with the same signature and stuff. So how to implement in C#? So it's a simple that we write the name of the class, then colon and the name of the interface, or if we are inheriting from already inheriting from another class, then we name of that class, then comma, and then the name of the interface, right? So we can do that. Can a class inherit from a class and interface? Yes, a class can inherit from a single class and multiple interfaces or single interface, that is allowed. And a class can inherit from multiple interfaces at the same time too, without inheriting from any other class. Third question is, what are extension methods in C#? Right. So extension methods are a type of method that allows me to add a method to a particular class without editing that class, without editing to that class, right? So let's say for example vector3, we need to add some method in vector3, then we can use extension method. So we can add that method in the vector3 method class itself, but without editing the vector class and without recompiling the code of the vector class itself. So those are the extension methods that allows us to add method to a particular class without editing that class at all. Thank you.